Nothing like a refreshing coffee in the morning. I just want to turn it into a candle. Hey Crafty fam and coffee lovers, welcome back to Craftiviti. If you are a coffee and a candle lover, today's DIY is gonna blow your mind. Today we're making super realistic iced coffee candle that looks so good you would want to drink it. But please don't. This is one of our newest kit, the iced coffee making kit by Craftiviti. Perfect for beginners, coffee lovers, or anyone who wants their home to smell like a cozy cafe. And just like that, our iced coffee candle is done. Super aesthetic, fun, and super easy to make. Now, let's cut the wick. That's how you make an iced coffee candle. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And comment down below what type of beverage candle would you make besides iced coffee candle. Stay crafty, stay safe. See you in the next one.